Well, I thought we'd come out in the first period and established the way we wanted to play. I thought we were, we used our speed and we were able to get some good scoring opportunities. I thought our power play, obviously, in the first period, was solid. Later in the game, I guess, in the second was where we got the power play goals. But I thought overall we'd come out and establish the way we wanted to play, and we've been fortunate over the last few games to get off to great starts and play with the lead, and I think that was a key to the game tonight. I thought our guys did a good job on the penalty kill, good job with the clears. I thought we used our speed up ice to try to disrupt them a little bit, but ultimately, your best penalty killer has to be your goalie, and I think it was tonight. I thought Steve made some important saves at at key times in the game, and I thought overall, we were a tad bit loose at times and gave up too many shots and probably too many opportunities. We did a good job capitalizing, on the chances we had. But, I think, we're happy about the win, and we'll move on to, a big game tomorrow night. The great part about it, for the most part, it's, we're really creating more scoring opportunities, more shots. We're playing faster. We're moving the puck up the ice quicker, and doing a better job in the offensive zone with getting everybody involved and trying to outnumber the puck and using our speed to not only protect the puck but to get it to the net. And I think tonight is a great sign is that we're getting scoring by committee. We get 2 goals tonight from Brian Hart, 2 goals from Tyler Moy, a goal by Chris Golo. So I think we're spreading the offense out pretty good. So I think. I think that's always a good sign when we get everybody involved, and obviously it's nice that we get Max Everson his first goal, because Max has been great for us all year. I think our leadership's been great, and we have, obviously Max and Kyle are a huge part of that. But I think good teams have a lot of leaders, and I think, guys like Pat McNally and Jimmy Vesey and Desmond Bergen. I think there's really been a leadership by committee, and Stephen Michaelik. So I think there's been a lot of progress, off the ice with our attitude and our work ethic and commitment. And I think, it's a good sign. Which it's early in the year, but I think we're seeing a lot of good things.